say at least it was worth a try. At least it was worth a try. At least it was worth a try. Are you dry from your place? Miss your lips, but I hate the taste. No fun. Oh, so fabulous.
Hi guys, welcome back once again to my YouTube channel. It's your girl DUMEBI Leah, the gorgeous melanin popping African Barbie. I like to hype myself. Welcome back to the YouTube channel, and if this is your first time, you guys, you're welcome. I do hope you decide to subscribe and become a part of my big growing happy YouTube family by hitting the subscribe button right below the video, right below this video right there, and then the notification bell right beside it. And if you're already a subscriber, you're an old timer, you're an OG, you're returning, you guys know that I love you. Thank you so much for coming back, and welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup first impressions and a review, trying out a Nigerian makeup brand called ROYALE MAKEUP. That's their name right there on the screen. That's their Instagram handle. You guys check them out. And judging by how good the other Nigerian makeup brands I've been using are, I don't expect to be disappointed, because Nigerian makeup brands are really stepping it up, you guys. And I need to say that this brand, this is actually not my first time coming across them. I've worked with them in the past, so they sent me like some of their new stuff, and I'm so excited to try them out. In the meantime, I feel like I'm looking like an angel, like there's something celestial about me right now gracing your screen. If you agree, please give this video a thumbs up. I think I love myself too much. Okay guys, so let's just get right into the video, shall we, without wasting so much time. Keep watching. So guys, this is the parcel that was sent from ROYALE MAKEUP. I'm just going to be opening it up right here on camera so that we can see what's inside. Oh, you guys, look at that. Okay, so this is their paper bag. I definitely like this. I'm gonna start with this one. This is a glow mist. Okay, yeah, this one has like gold specks in it, that's why it's a glow mist. It says face and body prep, fix and glow, light gold. Then over here I have like 2 shades of foundation, the ROYALE MAKEUP All Day Stay Matte Liquid Foundation. It is oil free and waterproof. Let me open it up so you guys can see the shades. Okay, so you guys, they sent me 2 shades of their foundation. This one is the 06 Mocha, and this one is the 05 Cappuccino. So can you guys see? This one seems to be slightly lighter, and it has almost like a warm undertone compared to this one. I kind of like the packaging. I like the see-through glass bottle, and then the silver this thing with the pump. Over here we have their matte setting spray. Then here we have the ultra moist facial moisturizer. I was told that this facial moisturizer also doubles as a primer, so I'm going to be testing it out today to know how effective it is as a moisturizer and a primer. We're going to know if it's mattifying. Right here it's written lightweight, non-greasy and non-comedogenic. Then here I have the ROYALE MAKEUP all-in-one ultra cleansing micellar water. So this is going to serve as a cleanser sort of. You guys, over here we have the glow mist, and yeah, this is something I'm actually familiar with. They've sent this to me in the past before. I'm not really crazy about glow on the body. Like for me, I don't know, I feel like when it's on in excess, whew, I'm going to be trying this one out. So it says that this one has coconut and argan oil in it. So now to my favorite parts. They sent me an eyeshadow palette. This is the ROYALE MAKEUP Pro eyeshadow palette, and I like the, of course, black and gold. I love the black and gold packaging. So let's open it and see the colors and the different pigmentations and textures that are in here. Okay, so the first thing that I have to say is that they have this sheet here, and then the names of the different shades are written on it. I usually prefer if the names are written on the palette itself, because everybody knows that you probably just throw this out when you open an eyeshadow palette. So yeah, I can see that they have like neutral shades, They have a lot of matte shades as well that are skin tone friendly. Can you guys see? That girl skin tone friendly. And then you have glitters. I think this is like what really excites me. I don't really have a lot of palettes that come with glitters as well. So I hope these glitters can apply without glue, because I mean nobody uses glitter glue these days. Everybody just applies the glitter straight on, and I know not every glitter can apply without glue, so I'm going to be trying that out. So these are the shades once again. Can you guys see? And the last thing actually that I have here is a powder palette from Royale Makeup. So this is their famed face collection, the Queen series. Okay, this is good for queens like me and you. Okay, so let's see what's in here. I love the color of this. Let me know, like, I love it. Okay. All right. Okay. Let me see. Good. The shade names are written on the actual palette this time around. I like that. I'm actually impressed by the shade range. Can you guys see? Like, the shade range is very beautiful for melanin skin. All the shades of melanin are here. I even have shades that are dark enough for me to contour with. So you guys, let's just get right into actually trying out this product. I'm going to be creating a makeup look using all these products, and I'll let you guys know my honest, unbiased opinion of them by the end of this video. So keep watching, guys. So you guys, I'm going to be swatching the colors from the eyeshadow palette first of all, so that you guys can just have a feel of what the pigmentation is like. I took one metallic shade, one pigment shade, and one matte shade to swatch so you guys can see, and I was pretty impressed. You guys can see my expression. So I just wanted to let you guys know that this video is not going to have the full eyeshadow look. It's not going to show me creating the eyeshadow look from start to finish, because I didn't want this video to be too long, and I just wanted to concentrate on using the product and giving my review in this particular video. But I'm going to be dropping another video where I showed the eyeshadow, how I created the eyeshadow look from start to finish, because it's quite a complex eyeshadow look. So if you're interested in that video, please be sure to turn on notifications so that when I upload that video, you guys will know I'll be dropping it soon. So you guys can see I just keep right through the end, through to the end of the, after the eyeshadow look was created, right into doing my face makeup right now. So yeah, I'm going to be dropping the review after the makeup look is created. I'm going to be putting a time marker in this particular video, so if you don't want to watch the whole process of me using the makeup, you can just keep right to that point on the time marker, that where I begin to give my unbiased detailed review of the product. So yeah, I'm just going to leave you guys right now to enjoy the video, and if you're interested in the eyeshadow look, don't forget to check back maybe my next upload. I will be showing you guys a detailed tutorial on how I came about this beautiful, gorgeous cut crease eyeshadow. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Keep watching. Bye.
Set my heart afire. touch, we break. Make it seem like we feel the same. We love what we hate. We lie, but we know we can't water what doesn't grow. Give up, let it go. Well, we fell apart just in time.
So guys, this is the finished look. So I'm here to give you guys my unbiased first impression and review about the product. Let's begin with the eyeshadow palette. You guys, this is hands down one of my favorite palettes so far. It is super pigmented. I use mostly the matte shades and I use some of the metallic. I use this one in the metallic shade, and I use this two glitter shades. You guys, I really love how pigmented it is. It was very easy for me to blend the colors, and then there were no eyeshadow fallout, which I was so impressed by. Even the glitter did not fall out. I was so impressed by it. So I would definitely recommend this eyeshadow palette. I love it, and I love the color range. If you want to create like neutral nude looks, you have it there. If you want to create like popping colors but with glitter and with like different matte shades, you have it there. So I feel like for a makeup artist, this would benefit you to have this kind of palette. Even for someone that just wants an all-in-one kind of eyeshadow palette for their personal use, you can invest in this palette right here. Then for their powders, you guys, I like the powders. I don't even know if people can ever get it wrong with powders, but generally I like the finish of the powder. I guess when I'll be able to test how good the powder is when I apply the powder on my bare skin without any foundation. So maybe if I eventually do that in another video, I'll let you guys know. But overall, the powder sat well on my skin. It blended well. I love the shade range of the powder. So now let's go ahead to talk about the primer. Now this primer, it says it is lightweight, but I actually do not agree that this is a lightweight primer, because when I applied it, my skin, my pores felt heavy. I could feel the effect of the primer sitting on my pores, so much so that it made me a bit hot. You understand? So no, I do not agree that this is lightweight. Okay, this is not a primer, let me say it's a moisturizer. So I guess it's a bit heavy on the skin, but if you have dry skin or normal skin, you can use this. But if you have oily skin, I'm not sure that I would recommend that you use this. Or if you must use it, make sure you use it with a very nice mattifying primer on top of this, because they said it's a moisturizer that doubles as a primer. On its own, in terms of if it holds as a good primer, I would say average. And if I'm going to use this, I will very likely want to use with a primer, because you guys, Nigeria is very hot. I live in a tropical country here in Nigeria, and so I was a bit like, I'm shooting in a warm environment, so I was a bit hot and everything. So I used the primer, and my makeup is not staying as much as I would want it to. So if you're going to do this, especially when you're not properly ventilated, when the environment is not cool, and when your skin type requires a lot of priming so that it can be matte, I would recommend I use this with another primer. But otherwise, when you're well ventilated, when you have dry skin or normal skin, you can attempt to use this on its own as a moisturizer stroke primer. That's what I think. Then for the foundation, I love the shade. It was my exact undertone, because I have sort of like a neutral undertone, an olive neutral undertone thereabout. So I use this one for my overall face, and I use this one kind of like in the meeting point between my highlighted area and then the rest of my face. It's not light enough for me to use as a highlight shade. So yeah, I can actually use both of them, but this is more close to my actual shade. So it is thick, so because of that, it actually gives you full coverage. But another thing that I noticed, which could be an advantage stroke, a disadvantage, is that it kind of like dries fast. So when you apply it, you make sure you try and blend it as quickly as possible so that it does not dry, because once it dries before you blend, it becomes difficult to blend, and you don't want your makeup appearing in patches. Then for the micellar water, I don't know, I think micellar water is micellar water. You're going to use it as a cleanser. I used it to clean my cut crease when I was doing my eyeshadow look. You guys, my eyeshadow is gorgeous. Like, I'm so super proud of myself, and the eyeshadow palette itself made it so easy. Like, I think that's my favorite thing out here. Then over here is the glow oil. As you guys can see, I like the fact that it gives me that glow, but it doesn't look too greasy. It stained my cloth though. I don't know if you guys can see, like there are some stains here, but I think like that's expected. I mean, that's actually expected, so I'm not surprised. So I like the way it looks. It doesn't have gold specks in it or anything. It just gives you this very moisturized, healthy looking skin that looks like it's glowing from within. So I really like it. Then this one, which is the Glow Mist, has gold like specks, dark gold. So this is like my shade. So if you were like to get this and you're a lighter skin person, I believe they should have like other shades that are lighter that can suit you perfectly. So this one is going to give you like, it gave me a whole bling on my face. I was actually glowing. It has the gold specks and you have to shake it very well. If not, like the gold will just, you know, congeal in different patches on your face, and you don't want that. So I like this as well. So I think my favorite product here is going to be their eyeshadow palette, and then my least favorite product here is going to be the moisturizer stroke primer. I think if I use it just as a moisturizer and not use it as a primer, I might not have been disappointed. I wouldn't say I'm disappointed per se. It's just I would definitely not count on this as a primer alone on myself. I can use it as a moisturizer but not as a primer. Oh, sorry, I think the only thing that I did not use today is their setting spray, and that is because I used the Glow Mist in place of a setting spray, which I tend to do a lot of the time. So yeah, I think maybe this one will be another day. So I've come to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. I'm going to be putting the name of the makeup brand on the screen once again. You guys check them out. You know, go on Instagram. You can actually order their products over there on Instagram, and they deliver nationwide or probably worldwide as well. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, to subscribe if you haven't. Drop me a comment in the comment section about what you think, or if you have any questions about the product, I'll be sure to reply. Check out my other videos. Please share this video. It helps my channel whenever you share my videos, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.